Somebody here asked me to do a lip balm haul and I couldn't resist myself, so here's all the lip balms I own. Clearly, I'm obsessed with lip balms and I'm going to show you one by one what do I own. First up, I have everybody's favorite Laneige Berry Flavor Sleeping Mask and I am actually running out of it, so I'm preserving this one. I have like a very little amount left in this, but I know I'm gonna use it for a long time. Then I have Hyphen Tinted Lip Balm in the flavor Marshmallow and I actually have two of them. I mean, this one has like a very little amount left और ये new वाला है and I think this one is used by everybody. This is Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm and I like the tint of it. I mean, it's really very good, but honestly I don't like the moisturizing part. I mean, it doesn't hydrate me for a long time, but I do like the tint of it. Then we have another Hyphen but a lip screen and I love this keychain. होता है क्या होता है, I love this cute thingy. I did this by the way, ये Hyphen की तरफ से नहीं आया था. Also, I love the smell of it. I mean, oh my god. This really smells like Mango Bite and I am obsessed with its flavor. Then we have Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Lip Balm. It has SPF 50, PA 4+, and I really like the fact that it has SPF in it. It is in the flavor Warm Nude and it smells like bakery, to be very honest. A Laneige lip balm obviously must have. Like, I do have a sleeping mask, but I feel like sleeping mask ना वो हाथ से लगाना पड़ता है और उसका वो जो वो स्कूप वाला होता है यार, वो घुम हो ही जाता है. So I have this Laneige lip balm in vanilla flavor and I really want to have like berry and other flavors of Laneige lip balm as well. And I also want Laneige Glaze Craze. I mean, I really want it. It's a serum, but yes, right now I have vanilla and I love its thickness. It's really very good. To be honest, it doesn't smell like vanilla. I thought कि ये vanilla जैसा smell करेगा, but it barely have that fragrance to it. At last, I have Hyphen's Vintage Lip Balm, which is like a tinted lip balm. और honestly, मैंने इसे अभी खोला भी नहीं है because I have so many lip balms, but I really want to open this, so I'm gonna open it like in front of you. Actually, I already had Vintage Lip Balm, but वो मैंने घूम कर दिया है, तो ये new आया है मेरे पास, जो कि मेरी best friend ने gift करा है. So yes, I finally have another vintage and I really like the color, but I do not like the fact that the color and the liquid goes separate. I really want them to be intact, but yeah, other than that, it's a really good lip balm. And I think by now you know I'm obsessed with Hyphen and Laneige and they should sponsor me one day. But yeah, that's it for the video. इतनी सारी लिप बाम सिर्फ आपको दिखाने के लिए खराब करिए, सो मेक श्योर यू लाइक दिस वीडियो.